Hello everyone. Hope you all would be doing great and have practiced the topic of units. In this video, we will cover the second topic of the day 1, which is tens. What are tens? What do you think what tens are? Tens can be thought of group or bundle of 10 ones. Means if we join 10 units of anything, this makes it one 10. Let's learn this concept through examples for a better and clear understanding. Look at your screen. Can you tell me how many tens of sticks are there? Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This picture indicates that we have 5 tens of sticks. It means we have 50 units of sticks or 50 ones. Let's look at another picture. How many tens we have? We have 2 rows of donuts and each row has 10 donuts. So we have 2 tens of donuts or 20 single units of donuts or 20 ones of donuts. So we can say 1 10 is equal to 10 ones or units. In finger maths, we always calculate tens on left hand. Each finger on left hand has a value of 10, which means 4 finger represents multiple of tens and thumb on left hand represents the 50, that is 5 tens. To achieve speed in finger maths, we follow some rules. These rules are: punch represents 0. Punch on left hand represents 0 for tens. We always calculate tens on left hand. When we are adding tens, we open fingers from pointer in anti-clockwise direction, and when we are subtracting, we close fingers from small finger side in clockwise direction. Let's practice finger values for tens. Make a punch and place your left hand on any flat surface. Punch represents 0. To place 10, we will open one finger on left hand. For 20, we will open 2 fingers on left hand, that is pointer and middle fingers are open. For 30, 3 fingers are open. And how we represent 40 in finger maths, we will open 4 fingers on left hand. For 50, we represent 50 by our thumb on left hand. For 60, we will open thumb and one finger, that is thumb and pointer. For 70, we will open thumb and 2 fingers, and thumb and 3 fingers represents the value 80. And for 90, thumb and all the 4 fingers when open represents the value 90. Let's start adding tens on left hand. Let's see our first example. First question is to add 20 and 50 together. If we want to add 20 and 50 together, how we will do that? First, we will open 2 fingers on left hand to represent the value 20. Now we will place 50. Our thumb on left hand represents the value 50. So we will open thumb. As a result, we get thumb and 2 fingers on left hand, which represents the value 70. So our answer is 70. Let's take another example. If we want to add 40 and 50 together. For this, first we will place 40 on our fingers. To place 40, we will open 4 fingers on our left hand. And for 50, we will open thumb of our left hand, which represents the value 50. As a result, we get thumb and 4 fingers. Thumb and 4 fingers on left hand represents the value 90. So our answer is 90. Let's take an example for subtraction of tens. Let's see. If we want to subtract 30 from 40, first we will place 40. How we place? We will open 4 fingers on our left hand. Now to subtract 30, we know when we are subtracting, we close fingers. As we want to subtract 30, it means 3 fingers on left hand. We will close 3 fingers on our left hand. As a result, we get only 1 finger on our left hand, which represents the value 10. So our answer is 10. Let's start practicing questions for addition and subtraction of tens on our left hand. But before starting, keep few things in mind. Always make punch to represent 0 before starting a new question. When we are adding, we open finger from pointer, and when we are subtracting, we close finger from small finger side. Let's start. First question is 80 plus 10 minus 90 plus 20 plus 10. Answer 30. Make 0. Next question, 40 plus 50 minus 60 plus 10 minus 20. Answer 20. Make punch. Next question is 60 plus 30 minus 20 plus 10 minus 70. Answer is 10. Make punch to represent 0. Next question, 90 minus 70 minus 10 plus 20 plus 10. Answer 40. Another question, 80 minus 30 plus 20 plus 10 minus 60. Answer is 20. We will practice few more questions to increase our speed. Let's start. Make punch. Ready? 90 minus 80 plus 10 plus 20 minus 30. Answer is 10. Make 0. Ready? 60 plus 10 minus 50 plus 20 minus 30. Answer 10. Are you ready for the next question? Make punch and let's start. 10 plus 20 minus 30 plus 40 plus 50. Answer 90. Two more questions. 60 minus 50 plus 30 minus 20 plus 10. Answer 30. Last question. Make 0. 70 plus 20 minus 40 plus 10 minus 50. Answer is 10. Hopefully the topic of tens is clear to everyone. Keep practicing for better speed. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care.